Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie and today I decided to film a pink halo eye for Valentine's Day. I just did the eyeshadow in this video. Just a nice simple romantic makeup look. So I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, please like and subscribe. I hope you have a really fantastic Valentine's Day. I know it's a long time away still, but I thought I'd get this up sooner rather than later, and there's a few more to come. So if you're interested to see how to get this eyeshadow look, then please keep watching and I'll see you next time. So I've already done my face. I'm going to go in with Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette. Just going to put that in my crease. I'm also going to bring that down into the corners of the eyes because we're going to be doing a halo eye today. And I want everything to look as seamless as possible. Now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, OUD. Going to take that on a smaller, more defined crease brush and take that through my crease. And on my outer V, I'm not going to take that up as high as I took Raw Sienna, but I am going to take that up slightly higher than my natural crease so that you can actually see it. Now blending that out again until it looks nice and seamless. Now I'm going back to the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to go in with Venetian Red, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corners of the eyes. Just patting that in and blending slightly into the crease. Going to go in the inner corner with this as well. Ever so slightly, oops, up top. Now I'm going to go in with Angelic from the Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to pop that all over the center of the lid where we've left it blank. I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer over the center of the eyelid just to clean up a little bit so the shadow can be more pigmented. Go in with Angelic. Now that obviously looks a little crazy at the moment. So I'm going to take Antique Bronze from the Modern Renaissance palette again. I'm going to take that right in between those two shades just to kind of bring them together a little bit and help mesh the look together. I'm going to take Raw Sienna again and pop that on the eyelids as well. Blend it together even more. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be doing the same thing I did on the top. I'm going to take Raw Sienna, with a more defined brush, I'm going to take Venetian Red. I'm just going to pop Venetian Red on the inner corner and outer corner. I'm going to take a bit of OUD. I'm going to put that on the outer corner of the eye and blend that out a little bit. Going in with Angelic again, I'm going to take this onto the center part of the lower lash line. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of liner, going in with the Maybelline Eye Studio. I'm going to pop that liner on and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to put mascara on. For false lashes, I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm waiting for the glue to dry a little bit. I'm just going to clean up underneath my eyebrows. So I'm going to go in with the AC on Tour in that peachy kind of shade there. Taking a flat shader brush, just going to clean up. I'm just going to take a bit of that Mary Lou and pop it under the arch of the brow only. Now lashes are on. I am going to go in with a nude lip. So I just went in with the MAC Pro Lip Palette in the nude shade, and I took these two colours here and did a little bit of an ombre lip. I'm just going to add a clear gloss to the centre. So there you have it. This is the finished makeup look. Just a nice pink halo eye. Something sweet and slightly glam for Valentine's Day just around the corner. So I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment of any videos that you want to see in the future. And I really hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. It's still a while away yet, but when you do, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in my next video.